This bag cost me nearly £400. This one cost 18. After years of carrying the expensive one, it's the cheap one that currently actually fits my life. Not because it's better made, but because it's better suited to how I really work. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm JimBob and welcome to JimBob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, watches, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. For years my work bag was a beautiful Tuscany leather briefcase. Full grain leather, traditional design, the sort of bag that belongs in a corporate office. But my work life isn't corporate. I have a day job now, working from a car and not an office. I run a pub, the Big Six in Halifax, and I film YouTube videos. I'm in and out of the car all day. Bags get dumped in footwells. They sit on cellar floors, pub floors, storage room floors. They get caught in the rain. And at some point I realised I was protecting this bag instead of actually using it. That's when you know a piece of gear no longer fits your reality. So I replaced it with this, the Amazon Basics laptop shoulder bag. It cost £18 and that completely changes your relationship with it. I don't worry about putting it on the floor. I don't panic if it rains, and I don't think twice about throwing it in the car. It is not a statement piece. It's a tool, and tools are meant to be used. Now let's be clear, this isn't luxury, but it is light. It's padded where it matters. It protects the laptop, and it has more than enough organisation to keep things under control. The synthetic materials means it tolerates weather better. The straps are basic, but they are functional, they are robust, and they are comfortable. The whole thing feels like something you're allowed to use without thinking. And that freedom is worth more than leather sometimes. This isn't a full loadout video, but what you carry matters just as much as what you carry it in. Inside, I keep things simple and practical. There's my ever-present laptop for editing, admin, stock ordering, and a whole manner of tasks. There are notebooks, because analog still has a place in a busy working day. There's a small first aid kit, because real workplaces need real preparedness. For organisation, I use an alpaca admin pouch to keep cables and small gear under control. And then there's this, an Elizabeth line Moquette purse from the London Transport Museum shop. It's not tactical, it's not high-end, it's not trendy EDC, but it's practical, durable and adds a bit of character. A reminder that everyday carry doesn't have to be sterile. Here's what surprised me. The leather briefcase represented how I thought work should look. The Amazon bag reflects how I actually work. One is aspirational, the other is functional. And right now, function wins. Not because cheaper is better, but because the right tool beats the perfect object. This isn't about abandoning quality, it's about choosing gear that fits your reality. Because the best EDC setup isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that works without getting in your way. If you enjoyed this video, a like would be great and a subscribe would be amazing. Links to the bag are down below and also on my kit.co page. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.